Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging board on the Motorola Moto G 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. At first, turn off the phone and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer around the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the old adhesive from the edges. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 19 screws secured in the mid frame. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create a small opening between the midframe and the body. Start from the SIM card slot area, as this is the best place to begin. Gently slide the tool along the edges to release the plastic clips. Take your time and work slowly around the frame. Be careful while separating it. The fingerprint flex is attached to the frame, and slowly lift the midframe once all the clips are released. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board, and then disconnect the fingerprint flex to remove the midframe. Next, remove the not working charging port board from the body. First, remove the speaker module. Next, disconnect the LCD flex, antenna head, and screw from the charging port board. And then gently remove the not working charging port board from the body. Next, place the new charging port board on the body. Align the board before inserting the screw. Next, secure the screw and fasten the LCD plug, and then antenna head to the charging port board. And finally, secure the speaker module. Next, connect the fingerprint plug. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place the midframe back onto the body and align it properly. Press gently around the edges to snap it into place. Make sure all the clips are secured. Finally, secure the midframe by adding 19 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.